this exercise, we are going to let go of stress and tension by tensing and relaxing our muscles. If you have any injuries or pre-existing conditions, please modify this however you need to for you to feel comfortable. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. For this mindfulness, you may decide that you're more comfortable laying down. Find whatever position helps you to feel most relaxed. Once you've gotten comfortable, please close your eyes or lower your gaze. Inhale through your nose and hold it for a few seconds. Then exhale through your mouth. Again, in through your nose and hold. Then exhale through your mouth, feeling the stress leave your body. Inhale positivity and hold. And exhale the negativity. One last time, let's inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Now, clench your fists tightly. This shouldn't be so tight that it hurts, but tight enough that you can feel the tension. And release. Clench your fists. And release. Clench again. And release. One last time, clench your fists. And release. Now let's move to our arms. We're going to do this 4 times as well. Clench the muscles in your arms. And release. Again, clench the muscles in your arms. And release. Clench your arms. And release. One last time. Clench and release. Now let's move on to your shoulders, and we'll do this 4 times as well. Clench the muscles in your shoulders and release. Clench and release. Clench and release. Last time, clench and release. Now let's move on to your back. Clench the muscles in your back and release. Clench them again and release. Clench and release. One more time, clench and release. Now let's do the same for the muscles in our legs. Clench and release. Clench and release. Clench and release. And one last time, clench and release. Our final spot is our toes. Let's clench our toes and release. Clench and release. Clench and release. And for the final time, clench and release. Take a moment to feel how much looser and lighter your body is. Feel how the stress you've been carrying has left. Continue to sit here, feeling the lightness, paying attention to your breathing. Just take a moment to relax. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and move forward in your day feeling lighter and more relaxed.